In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Segunda Etapa in Peroxide. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to acquire Segunda in Peroxide, you will have to fulfill a bunch of requirements and then talk to a specific NPC. So, first, I'm gonna go over the requirements. You will have to beat the Hollow Prince. The prerequisites for engaging in this battle against the Hollow Prince and obtaining the Segunda Etapa is first, make sure that you are level 90. With this done, you need to accumulate 420 points. Now, these points are going to be earned through various different activities, and I'm gonna show you all of them on screen. You will be able to check how many points you have by talking to the Hollow Prince later in the Manos Forest. So first of all, here are all of the means that you can earn points from. So you can complete a time gate and acquire 75 points if your team wins and 25 points if your team loses. Time bubbles grant 1 point for each percent of the boss health that you dealt. Defeating a Storm Vestakar awards 10 points if you contribute to the majority of the damage, so at least 60%, and on invasions you get 5 points for stealing an object, 12 points for killing a guard, and 22 points for killing a leader. Finally, 6 points for each guard grip during an incursion. So once you meet all of these prerequisites, make sure that you farm level 90 and you can initiate the process on the Prince's Den in the Manos Forest. When you go over to the Manos Forest and you fall down on this hole on a specific building, like I said, the Prince's Den, you will find this NPC, which people refer to as the Hollow Prince, but his actual name is Hueco Oscuro. So when you talk to him, he will give you one of two dialogues. You are strong, but your soul lacks something vital. So in this case, you have collected less than 200 points. If he gives you the dialogue, your soul is finally gaining that spark, continue your training, return to me once you're finally worthy prey, it means that you are getting closer and you have surpassed 200 points by now. If you talk to him and he gives you the option to battle with you, this is what you will have to do in order to get Segunda. So after you acquire the necessary amount of points, talk to him, the Hollow Prince, or Hueco Escudo, and then initiate the battle against him. Win, and you will be able to get Segunda. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Segunda in Peroxide. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.